Vulture looking for some prey. I hope it's not me. Morning, everybody. We have some rumbles of thunder this morning. Our backyard this morning. Of course, Star's got herself wrapped around a tree already. We used to, in our sticks and bricks, or our old home, whatever you want to call it, we used to hear on average 2 to 3 sirens a day, and we have heard one siren here, and this is our 5th day here. And that was about 1:30 this morning. We are having potatoes and onions tonight. Of course, you gotta load them down with butter, and we're going to cook burgers over top of them. Let's see if this is any good. Try the beans first. Good beans. Some people says you should never cook in foil, but I guess I've been doing it for 50 years, so I don't know. To each their own. Potatoes. Now let's try this burger. Cheese and tomato. I have onions in my potatoes. I say that's a wrap. This is the half-mile trail to begin that is difficult. So I figure I will get the difficult section out, and then I will have the 1.5 mile lake trail and the 1.7 mile bridle trail. So get this out of the way. The other two ought to be a piece of cake. It was straight up and now it's straight down. This will test me because I haven't hiked this long for probably a couple months or more. Low, righty, low. Righty, low, right, lefty, right, left. Low, righty, low. Righty, low, right, lefty, right, left. I am not wanting to get muddy today. I wish there was more sunshine for this video, but there isn't. So we're going to have to suck it up, Buttercup. Uh-oh, what do I do now? It looks like somebody has made a trail up there around it. We'll see. They were not kidding about difficulty.
Did you tell them that you should have started on easier trail to break yourself in?
Gus, I told you just to stay back there and keep your mouth shut. Okay, we have a half a mile knocked out. I hope it gets easier from here. Someone needs to tell the mosquitoes it's daytime, please. We are on the easy section now. And this trail's in very, very good condition. I think the only reason they didn't do trail maintenance on that difficult section was because it's supposed to be difficult. So they want you to work. I am on the bridle trail now. But I don't see any signs of horses back here. We got a mess here. Which way do we go? Oh. There we go. I think we are headed towards the lake trail now. We'll be there soon. Rain kind of feels good. There's not much coming through the trees, but it does feel pretty good. Okay, we came off of that one. We're right here at E. So we're going to go that way, hit the lake. I wonder if this is going to take us out, because it looks like, well, maybe it goes down and then I can get around and go back up over there. I'm not sure though. I think this is going to take us around the lake outside of the woods. Yep, that's the way she's a-going. Headed back up to the road now. And I think we get on the road and turn left. I can really feel this in my gluteus maximus. Star, you want to say anything? You want to tell everybody goodbye? Huh? Star, you want to tell everybody goodbye? It's been a great camp, but it's time to move on. It's been a great 8 days here in the shade, but it'll be nice to have some Starlink and some solar. All right, but it's time to move on. We love y'all. Remember, never stop dreaming. Love others the best you can. Bye-bye.